Hey, I thought I would give you a quick peek at something I have coming up. A little bit of video of what I'm doing, and this is going to be not your normal Wednesday inspiration Wednesday video, whatever you would call it. Today got crazy. Things got not out of hand, but unexpected. So I thought instead of my normal composition fun stuff, let me show you the studio where I sometimes create. And I say sometimes because sometimes it's too hot or too cold. And of course Rowdy is coming to greet us. That's what she does, the little darling. So this is the front of my studio. Yes, I face a pasture, which is amazing. Awesome. And then when you go inside, I can actually accommodate about 20 people here. I have a little seating area. The floors are stained concrete, which I had a ton of fun doing. This little barn was a class that I taught at a local shop here, well, in Jasper, which is about 35 minutes from here. And you can see there's just stuff all over the place and things hanging out, and always something in the works, because I never know exactly what and when. And that door at the back on the right, that actually goes to a full bath. And this is where I have my hot mess, which is part of what happened today, because I discovered I needed to clean that out, organize, and get it kind of put back together, because it really was a hot mess. The black cabinet stores craft paint and all the other important stuff. And then at the back, with these cool shelves that I absolutely love, everything under the sun, from paper to ephemera to lots of scissors, lots of half-size composition books, some art, watercolor, and yes, there's my Rowdy reed eater, because I had to charge it and it's easier to do it in the studio. Lots of patterned paper from over the years, lots of fun scrapbook stuff that I used to fool around with. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I usually work at that counter at the back or on the table. Lots of magazines. Now here's the other thing. My brain was exploding today, not even kidding. And I'm so excited. I'm giving you a little sneak peek here of what is coming. And I cannot wait. I have been making, well, when I wasn't cleaning up that hot mess, I was making lists and plans and putting things together, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you this. But trimming the paper was about as far as I got today. Like I said, I ended up with this big mess underneath that counter. And I realized that I'm loving doing Inspiration Wednesday and sharing composition and art stuff. Like I said, you know, the rules are important, because if you know them, you can break them, and that's what this is all about. I really like changing, breaking, altering, ignoring all the art rules. But this little process, and I know it's like the most fun watching me just trim paper. So here's part of the deal. I'm trimming these to the size of these miniature index cards. So you can buy them with the lines on them, or you can buy them blank. And I am trimming them to fit in this adorable little box. And I got that box, I think, at Michael's a few years ago. I know Hobby Lobby has them too. So this is probably the extent of what I'm going to tell you. This one is going to take a little bit of work, but I can't wait to show it to you. So that's the video for today. Not the normal video, but I'm really excited. So here's just a glimpse into, this is actually my prayer journal. This is one of the prayers that I have worked through and prayed and talked to God about, and I thought I would share this little snippet with you. And yeah, we'll be back on schedule next week for a regular Wednesday inspiration. And Rowdy was adamant that she could say goodbye. So have a great day.